The ZRH5050 LBX 5-axis filter plate machine center is a patented product independently developed by our company. This structure is the world first, subverting the entire industry's conventional filter plate processing, and represents the most advanced industrial line in the world today. According to the technical characteristics of filter plate processing, the product has independently developed a motor, spindle, and array system for the machine, so that the precise filter plate can be directly connected to the equipment for installation, which should realize the intelligent filter plate production model. Combined with the production process of the filter plate, our equipment is mainly composed of the following parts. The automatic loading and unloading part has mechanical gripper and automatic positioning functions, which can automatically execute program processing for semi-automatic operations through the handheld box. The movable aluminum alloying precise table has two sizes of 1.25 x 1.25 and 1.5 x 1.5 meters, which can be switched automatically. The left and the right sides of the front table are the finished product stacking area and the rough storage area. The powerful U-shaped 5-axis machining center is equipped with 10 disc screw changes plus 2 linear tool changes to cope with different machining processes. Automatic coping function, which can realize the A and B surface processing of the workpiece at one time. Stacking of materials. The materials are stacked according to the designated location. If there is a partial deviation, infrared detection will automatically detect and remind the system to correct it. Feeding action. The metallic core gripper grabs the material to be processed and puts it on the processing table. The positioning and movements in the whole process are all automatic. Processing of materials. After the material is accurately positioned on the processing table, the table starts to move backwards and sends the filter plate to the position of the processing center. Fixture on the table has the function of automatic and precise positioning, and the feeding and positioning process does not exceed 1 second. However, in the past, the entire positioning and loading process took at least 10 to 12 minutes, saving a lot of time. Side A process, equipped with photoelectric automatic measurement function on one side of the spindle. The measured data can be directly transmitted to the control system to complete high precision processing, which greatly improves the processing accuracy. The main process of Side A processing is milling and punching. Milling type milling processes the surface of the workpiece, the convex part of the workpiece, and 4 sides of the workpiece. And the punching milling includes the processing of the large round hole in the center of the filter plate and the small holes on the 4 sides. Reprint. After finishing Side A processing, the table will send the filter plates to the turning area. At this time, the processing table will perform automatic dust blowing. After the filter plate completes the plate turning action in the plate turning area, the tabletop brings the filter plates back to the processing area again. Side B processing. It is merely the flat and convex milling shape of the plate, and the punching part is merely the oblique core on the side of the plate, that is, the drainage core and the type core. After completing the above processing procedures, the graper puts the processed products into the finished products finalizing area. The processed filter plates can be directly sent to the assembly area for installation. The ZLH1515LBX 5-axis filter plate processing center is a third-generation product independently developed by our company. It has won a number of nation design patents and utility model patents. It embodies the wisdom and hard work of intellectuals. This product is a disruptive innovation and a milestone in the precise upgrade of filter plate processing industry influences. Currently, its outstanding contributions include save labor and increase productivity, save at least 19% of labor costs, and increase production capacity by more than 8 times. At present, the equipment realizes fully intelligent operation. One operator can operate 3 to 5 pieces of equipment at the same time. One piece of equipment can process 3 filter plates per hour. If one worker operates 4 pieces of equipment at the same time, the calculation is it can process 12 sheets per hour, which is equivalent to processing 1 sheet in 5 minutes. In the past, at least 10 to 15 people were required to process a filter plate, and a maximum of 1.2 filter plates were produced per hour. Through data comparison, it can be seen that the production line has saved more than 19% of labor and increased the production capacity by at least 8 times. Reduced line occupation. The entire production line of the new product covers an area of about 42 square meters, while in the past, it required at least several hundred or even thousands of square meters. It greatly saves floor space and other auxiliary equipment. Completely eliminates the hidden dangers in the process of processing. The whole process realizes intelligent and fully automated processing without human involvement, so the safety is extremely high. The standardization of the products has been fully realized, greatly improved the technical indicators and service life of the filter plates.